Black and silver double skeleton mechanical watch. Hardcore style square case. The skeleton dial between the gears and the dial shows a mechanical sense and beauty. The 40mm watch has a sharp outline. Stainless steel watch case with Italian cowhide strap. Energy reserve 56 hours. Life up to 10 years or more. Double-sided perspective. Exquisite movement at a glance. Customizable logo enroller. The strong light broke through the night. Environmental protection glow in the dark paint. Comfortable to wear, finely polished and durable. Consult our to get more details. Pay attention to us. Learn more watches and accessories.